You've heard the stories, the tales of ordinary people turning into internet sensations overnight. People are making a killing on YouTube, building brands, living the dream. They're not just creating content, they're creating empires. But here's the kicker. A surprising number of creators are leaving serious cash on the table. They're putting in the hours, the creativity, the passion, but the returns just aren't matching up. They're grinding, putting in the work, but not seeing the returns they deserve. Late nights, endless edits, and still, the growth is slow. Why? They're missing out on the AI revolution, the game changer that's transforming how content is created and consumed. Think about it. There's a gold rush happening right now in online content, and those who are leveraging AI are striking it rich. YouTube is at the heart of it. It's the platform where dreams are made and fortunes are found. But you need the right tools to strike gold. The right technology can make all the difference. You can't dig with a spoon and expect to strike it rich. You need the right equipment to uncover the treasure. This is where InVideo AI comes in. It's not just another tool, it's a game changer. Find the link in the description to access the plan for just $28. It's not just another tool, it's your secret weapon. The edge you need to stand out in a crowded space. InVideo AI levels the playing field. It gives you the power to compete with the big dogs, even if you're just starting out. It gives you the power to compete with the big dogs, even if you're just starting out. Imagine gaining subscribers, growing your audience, and finally seeing the success you've been working so hard for. The YouTube game is changing, the rules are evolving, and those who adapt will thrive. Are you ready to win? With InVideo AI, the future of content creation is in your hands. Don't leave money on the table. Seize the opportunity and transform your YouTube journey today. InVideo AI is a game changer for creators. It's like having a team of editors, marketers, and tech wizards at your fingertips. But here's the best part. It's easy to use. No tech skills required. Imagine this. You're able to create stunning videos that grab attention. Videos that keep people hooked. Videos that convert viewers into subscribers and fans. That's the power of InVideo AI. It takes the guesswork out of content creation. It helps you optimize your videos for maximum impact. And it does it all with the power of artificial intelligence. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. InVideo AI gives you the tools to unleash your full potential as a creator. It's time to step up your game. Let's face it, making money on YouTube isn't always easy. There are roadblocks. Competition is fierce. The algorithm can feel like a mystery, and monetization strategies can be confusing. Many creators get stuck in the weeds. They struggle with editing, optimization, and promotion. They spend hours trying to figure things out, instead of creating awesome content. Here's the thing. Many creators overlook the power of AI. They think it's too complicated or expensive. But the truth is, AI tools like InVideo AI can actually save you time and money. It's time to break through those revenue roadblocks. InVideo AI is the key. InVideo AI is like a Swiss Army knife for creators. Imagine having a tool that can handle every aspect of your video creation process. From brainstorming ideas to final edits and optimization, it's designed to be your all-in-one solution, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. It's packed with features to help you every step of the way. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, InVideo AI has something to offer. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, ready to assist you whenever you need it. Let's break it down. Content creation, stuck for ideas. We all know that coming up with fresh, engaging content can be challenging. Sometimes the creative well runs dry, and you find yourself staring at a blank screen, unsure of what to create next. InVideo AI's got your back. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. The AI can suggest topics, generate scripts, and even help you outline your videos, ensuring that you always have a starting point for your projects. It helps you generate engaging content ideas that resonate with your audience. By analyzing trends and understanding what works, InVideo AI ensures that your content is always relevant and appealing. No more staring at a blank screen. Video editing. Editing can be a pain. The process can be time-consuming and often frustrating, especially when you're trying to get everything just right. But InVideo AI makes it a breeze. With its intuitive interface and powerful editing tools, you can transform your raw footage into polished, professional videos without the usual hassle. It's intuitive and easy to use. even if you're a beginner. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create stunning videos. The AI guides you through the process, making it simple and straightforward. Cut, trim, add music, and create professional-looking videos in minutes. The tools are designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on your creativity rather than getting bogged down by technical details. Cut, trim, add music, and create professional-looking videos in minutes. Optimization. This is where the magic happens. Once your video is ready, the next step is to ensure it reaches the widest possible audience. This is where the magic happens. InVideo AI optimizes your videos for maximum visibility and engagement. It takes the guesswork out of the process, using advanced algorithms to enhance your video's performance. InVideo AI optimizes your videos for maximum visibility and engagement. It helps you choose the right keywords, write compelling descriptions, and get your videos seen by the right people. The AI ensures that your content stands out in a crowded digital landscape. It helps you choose the right keywords, write compelling descriptions, and get your videos seen by the right people. By optimizing your content, InVideo AI helps you achieve better results with less effort. InVideo AI takes care of the technical stuff so you can focus on what you do best: creating awesome content. With InVideo AI, you can unleash your creativity and produce videos that truly shine. Section 5. From Zero to Hero, a creator's success story with InVideo AI. Meet Sarah. She's a passionate foodie with a dream of sharing her love of cooking with the world. Ever since she was a child, Sarah loved experimenting with recipes and creating delicious meals for her family and friends. Her dream was to share her culinary creations with a larger audience, and she believed that starting a YouTube channel would be the perfect way to do it. She started a YouTube channel, but struggled to gain traction. Despite her best efforts, her videos were not reaching the audience she had hoped for. She spent countless hours filming, editing, and uploading content, only to see minimal engagement and low view counts. Her videos were good, but they weren't getting the views or subscribers she'd hoped for. Sarah felt disheartened as she watched her analytics page show little to no growth. She knew her content had potential, but she needed a way to make it stand out in the crowded world of YouTube. Then she discovered InVideo AI. While browsing online for solutions to improve her channel, she came across InVideo AI, a powerful tool designed to help creators enhance their video content and reach a wider audience. Using InVideo AI, Sarah was able to leverage advanced features that made her content more engaging and professional. The intuitive interface allowed her to easily navigate through various editing options and apply them to her videos. Create eye-catching thumbnails that grabbed attention. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and with InVideo AI, Sarah could design vibrant and appealing thumbnails that made her videos stand out. Edit her videos quickly and easily, giving them a professional edge. The AI-powered editing tools helped her streamline the editing process, allowing her to focus more on creating content rather than getting bogged down by technical details. Optimize her videos for search, so more people could find her content. InVideo AI provided her with insights and tools to improve her video SEO, making it easier for her target audience to discover her channel. The results? Her views skyrocketed, her subscriber count exploded. Within a few months, Sarah saw a significant increase in her channel's performance. Her videos were reaching more people, and her subscriber base was growing rapidly. And she started generating real revenue from her channel. With the increased views and subscribers, Sarah was able to monetize her content and start earning a steady income from her passion. Sarah's story is proof that InVideo AI can help anyone achieve YouTube success. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, InVideo AI provides the tools and support you need to turn your dreams into reality. Section 6. Beyond the hype. Real benefits, real results. Okay, you get it. InVideo AI is powerful. But let's cut through the hype and talk about the real benefits. Increased views. InVideo AI helps you create videos that people actually want to watch. Videos that rank higher in search and get more clicks. Subscriber growth. Engaging content leads to more subscribers. InVideo AI helps you create the kind of videos that keep people coming back for more. Monetization. More views and subscribers mean more opportunities to monetize your channel. InVideo AI can help you turn your passion into profit. These aren't just empty promises. These are real, tangible results that you can achieve with InVideo AI. Section 7. Don't just dream it, do it. Your InVideo AI journey starts now. You've heard the stories, you've seen the evidence. Now it's time to take action. Don't just dream of YouTube success, make it happen with InVideo AI. There's a world of opportunity waiting for you. But you have to take that first step. Sign up for InVideo AI today and see the difference it can make. Stop leaving money on the table. Start creating the content you were born to make. Your YouTube journey starts now. Section 8. Sharing is caring. Your InVideo AI experience. I want to hear from you. Have you tried InVideo AI? What are your thoughts? Share your experiences, your questions, your wins, and your challenges in the comments below. Let's build a community of creators who are crushing it on YouTube. Let's learn from each other and support each other on this journey. Section 9. The future of YouTube creation is here. The future of YouTube creation is here, and it's powered by AI. InVideo AI is leading the charge, empowering creators like you to achieve their full potential. Don't get left behind. Embrace the power of AI and unlock a world of possibilities on YouTube. The future is now. Check out the link and start making your future possibilities.